RAG and fine-tuning are not interchangeable upgrades. Retrieval-augmented generation supplies relevant external information at answer time. Fine-tuning changes model behavior by learning from examples. For customer support, the first question is whether the problem is changing knowledge, consistent behavior, or both. We will prove the RAG update path in WebChatAgent and describe fine-tuning from current primary documentation. Start with one approved support document and record its owner, active version, approval date, and intended audience. Remove obsolete exports before indexing. Changing facts belong in an own source. Hiding them in a prompt or training example makes freshness and governance harder to review. Upload the approved North Star document with a clear display name and category, then wait for the completed indexing state. An upload click is not evidence. The saved data source, index chunks, and readable content must all be present before testing answers. Open the index document and inspect the actual extracted text, metadata, category, and source priority. The unique control fact, Nordstern-42 must survive extraction exactly. If the stored text is broken, changing the model will not repair the source. Fix OCR, reading order, or document structure first. Use content search for Nordstern-42 and verify that the matching North Star passage is returned. This confirms that retrieval can find the control fact. If search has no hit, stop before prompt or model changes. Repair the source, extraction, or indexing first. In a fresh chat, the known question returns Nordstern-42 from the index North Star source. A second fresh chat asks for an intentionally absent 2028 warranty policy. The unknown answer states that the information is unavailable and invents no duration or condition. That proves grounded retrieval and an honest boundary in one controlled fixture. RAG usually fits policies, product details, operating procedures, release notes, and other knowledge that changes or needs source-level auditability. Access control can be applied around retrieval and sources can be updated independently. Quality still depends on extraction, chunking, retrieval, ranking, prompt rules, and evaluation. A source existing somewhere does not guarantee the correct chunk reaches the model. Fine-tuning can help when many approved examples define a stable behavior, a classification format, a specialized response pattern, or consistent task execution. The dataset, evaluations, privacy controls, and retraining process become part of the system. It is not the right shortcut for a policy that changes next week. New factual knowledge generally needs a retrieval or data access path rather than another opaque training cycle. Compare freshness, citations, latency, retrieval infrastructure, training data, evaluation effort, update cadence, rollback, and access control. Neither method is free, and many production systems use both for different jobs. The choice should reflect the cheapest reliable way to meet the requirement, not whichever acronym is currently fashionable. Choose RAG when answers depend on current, owned, permissioned facts. Consider fine-tuning when a repeated behavior gap survives good prompting and you have enough approved examples and evaluations. Combine them when the system needs both current knowledge and specialized behavior. For WebChatAgent, this tutorial has demonstrated the RAG path only. Any fine-tuning implementation belongs to the model provider and its own data governance process.